Good afternoon, Danbury. I'm student meteorologist Scott Gagliardi here with your forecast. As we close out the month of February, we have temperatures which continue to be very cold, record-breaking in some cases. If we take a look here, since February 2015 is so far going down as the coldest month on record, since records began over 110 years ago in 1905, next closest being in February 1934. These temperatures are well below the average of 31 degrees here in Danbury, so it really goes to show the far-reaching and incredible effects that this cold, Arctic cold rather, has had on the Danbury area over the course of this winter season. If we take a look here at Danbury at the 1 o'clock hour, we have mostly sunny skies with a temperature of 30 degrees, winds out of the north at 11 miles per hour, leaving us with a wind chill in the lower 20s. For those weather headlines, we have those bright skies to talk about, as I was just talking about right now. We have another Arctic front to talk about later in this forecast, which will lock in that cold and give us February to be the coldest month on record. And will we see some weekend snow? I'll get to that later in this forecast. If we take a look at the U.S. radar, we have a few areas that might catch your eye. We have one area of moisture across the southeast, another up here in the upper Midwest. Throw some fronts on here. There's a few lows associated with this moisture. These two lows are going to come together here ahead of that Arctic front, forming off the North Carolina coast, heading out to sea just a little too far to the south to give Danbury any more in the way of flurries or even cloudiness, giving us the fringe effects. Take a look, jump ahead a few days here to this weekend. We have a low which will come out of the southeast, giving us a chance of some snow. As we put this into motion later on the day on Sunday, that low is going to come close to the area, and depending on its track will determine whether we see a way of snow or precipitation. A little too early to tell, but we'll fine-tune that forecast as the day gets closer. Bringing it back here in Danbury, we have for tonight a low of 8 degrees. Winds are out of the northwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, giving us wind chills below zero once again. And however, the winds will diminish coming closer to daybreak. Now for tomorrow, on Thursday, we'll have a high temperature of 20 degrees, increasing clouds ahead of that Arctic front, possible few flurries to come in later in the day, and sunrise coming in at 6:34. And then for tomorrow night, any flurries will come to an end, giving us trace accumulations at best here in Danbury. Cloudy skies will continue with a low of 7 degrees. Now to recap, for tomorrow, quickly, we have a temperature of 20 degrees with those cloudy skies, and flurry coming in later in the day. For your Friday, very cold temperature of 18 degrees with mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures drop below zero Friday night to Saturday morning. And for your Saturday, skies will begin to clear. Beautiful skies. Great day to go skiing. For your Saturday, high temperature of 23 degrees. And the next snow threat looks to be coming in later in Sunday, giving us the chance of the snow and possibly the mixed precipitation with temperatures hovering right around freezing. You can meet the team. Visit our website at wcsu.edu/weather. Look for your next update. That'll be from Anthony Sambucci, updated tomorrow at 2 p.m. Thank you, and have a great evening.